POV, you give me a restraining order. POV, you hear me in the distance and file a noise complaint against me. Restraining order ASMR. It's just me like this. Like this. This is the view from your this is you guys, okay? So look, imagine you're my neighbor.
Ah! I'm a beast! I'm a monster! Ah! Ah! Oh my gosh! You're crazy, Vanta!
Noise complaint ASMR. You sound mentally ill. No wonder they're concerned. No. Okay, look. You guys hear what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying, right? Like, look.
You're a beast! I'm a monster! I'm crazy! Nobody can stop me! I'm a survivor! Ah! Who is he? Where did he come from? Is he a friend? Is he a foe? What are his motivations in this scene? He's insane!
The man, the myth, the legend, you know, shit like that. You know what I'm talking about? That's the one, officers, making all that damn noise. This is why I don't open my windows. Eviction ASMR. POV, you're getting you live with me and I'm getting kicked out.